Food steamer. You are in the mood from Japanese Chinese. You just want to steam some fresh vegetables, fish or meat for dinner. These steamer and rice cooker can do it all. Turn the switch and make a full meal with sides. With an electric food steamer, you can cook multiple items at the same time without mixing them together. The steam pot comes with a gas-free steaming guide card. The removable base make it easy to clean your electric cooker and veggie steamer. The stackable plastic basket make it easy to store your food. Once it's done and can be removed safely, wash in your dishwasher. No more guessing when it's time to refill your water. Bella's vegetable steamer how much liquid is left so you can refill a steamer pot comfortably. The auto shut off food steamer while dry protection will turn the rice steamer off automatically. It left on the for too long and drawing out water. These prevent an accident from happening and make it simple and safe to use. Easy to make electric food steamer. Automatic window cleaner. Equipped with advanced sensor, pet cleaning, the Toshiba effortlessly detect through the stick-free cleaning every time with its powerful suction motor and microfiber cleaning pad. Toshiba effectively remove dirt, dust, fingerprints, or smudges from your window and glass surface, leaving them crystal clear and spotless. Choose from multiple cleaning modes to suit your needs. Whatever it is, quick spot cleaner, companion, full window cleaning, and even cleaning high-rise window, the Toshiba has got it covered. Its safety feature included anti-fall sensor and a secure attachment mechanism, ensuring that one remote stays securely attached to the window during operation, even on vertical surface. Silicone body scrubber. Silver infused silicone option choose between our high quality silicone body scrubber for the silver infused silicone loofah and enhance your cleaning. The silver infusion provide an added layer to hygiene, helping your scrubber stay cleaner for longer. Each Avalon silicone body scrubber is dual-sided, one-sided with soft bristles for the gentle cleaning and the other are the for targeted massaging for exfoliation, perfect as a window show scrubber for body. It offers a versatile solution for all your skin can need. Available in body plus body massage, exfoliated and body scrub. Each style is crafted to meet a specific need. Whatever you need a relaxing massage, these exfoliation and incorporation select care. The Body Plus Massage Scrubber features soft silicone bristlets for daily use. Hair straightener brush comb and flat iron in one trimmer ring. Straightener comb combine a comb and fat hair iron in one to deliver super straight hairstyle and blow work took and the single pass, making hairstyling easier and more efficient than a flat iron hair straightener. Heating and 3D brush. Tano hair straightener brush adopt to 3D brush teeth with PTC heating technology to deliver even heat and reducing 50% heat damage and the create salon great result with frizz. The hair straightening brush has 5 temperature settings for different hair types, heating up to 20 seconds. The hair brush straightener save your time during your morning rush. With anti-scratch exterior, uses the straightener brush with easy and confident. Moreover, it automatically shut off after 30 minutes of inactivity to prevent accident run. The straightener comb is easy to use detail linking brush to X clip. Garlic chopper roller. This is a small but mighty garlic tool allow you to nice garlic to the desired texture while keeping hand order free. Garlic boom chamber with garlic and roll to chop rolling more will result in fine manicles while less rolling offer an coarser chop. The improved garlic boom feature more getting from easier rolling, bigger finger hole for safe plate removal and overall study design the last lifeline. Compact design take up little space in your kitchen and make a great gift for new cook and master chef. Easy to clean to top rack, dishwasher safe. This makeup brush cleaning machine. Our makeup brush cleaner feature with powerful 400 and 1000 motor, providing you with a deep and efficient cleaning for your makeup brushes by automatic and cleaning process. It eliminates the need for manual scrubbing and save your precious time. Equipped with the upgrade Silicon Fix Cover, our cleaner can recommend it to the wide range of brushes size, ensuring clean for every brush in your collection. Please note that high speed spinning drying may cause brushless to escape for free. We can recommend natural air drying, a true lifesaver for everyone. In the wash brushes, dermatologists recommended cleaning from cosmetic brush at least weekly, if not daily. Say goodbye to break out the dirty brushes, blend their cosmetic filling, leaving your brushes fresh and ready for your next beauty routine. Our makeup brush cleaner powered by rechargeable battery, support USB type cable, quickly charging stick butter cutter. Easily load butter into a cutter and just press once to cut the butter into the slices. These tools also help you keep your butter fresher for longer. Every little butter stuck in the handle cutter after cutting. Plus, it is easy to clean the inside and outside, and it is dishwasher safe, making cleaning up a breeze. One place to cut the perfect butter slices without jam, and it used to not keep your butter frozen and easily cutting and electric potato peeler. Very style peeling, safely peeling a wide variety of fruits and vegetables from potato and kiwis and everything in between. No need to hold or touch the produce while peeling, ensuring a mess-free experience. The rotator space securely in place on your countertop even during the high-speed peeling. Come with two spare blades stored underneath for long-lasting performance. A thumb knife included to expert potato paring and other delicate tasks. Plug and play convenient included 6V adapter, making it ready to use for right out the box. Electrical plug are designed for use in outlet and voltage differ internationally, and these products may require adapter to convert your use